Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the headset and software. Plug the BlackShark V2 into the correct port, USB for digital audio or 3.5 mm for analog, and install Razer Synapse when using USB. Once done, position the boom mic near your mouth and ensure the inline mute isn't engaged. You do this because digital inputs give full mic control in Synapse. Analog relies on OS levels. Make sure Windows recognizes the device before moving to settings. Next, configure both the operating system and Synapse to optimize sound. Go to Windows Sound Settings and select BlackShark V2 as your input device. Do the same for output. In Synapse, set mic gain, enable noise suppression, and adjust side tone so you hear yourself without feedback. Once configured, run a quick voice recording and speak at normal volume. Watch levels and reduce gain if clipping appears. This ensures clean capture and prevents distortion during long sessions. To finish, validate the mic in the actual app you'll use. Join a call or a game lobby and ask for feedback. If voices sound distant, increase mic gain slightly. If you hear room noise, enable higher noise suppression and reposition the boom closer. Once done, save Synapse profiles for quick recall. If problems persist, try replugging, updating drivers, or making the headset the default communication device. This step prevents most common issues and gets you ready to record or stream.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.